Hello and welcome to week one. Week one video, you found us. You found this video because you went to week one under the weekly assignments and you're watching the video. Woo! So if I were a student, this is how I would approach this. So I'm going to watch this video and it's going to explain what's going on. So up here we have kind of a breakdown of what's happening for the week. So we're going to read and become familiar with the course syllabus, the course schedule tab, the weekly assignments tab, and the video tutorial tab. Okay. A lot of this was shown with that video that we found under announcements. So if you go to announcements and you go to watch this video right here, watch me second. Okay, this kind of explains really how the course is laid out. So that answers a lot of those questions. And then what this also does for this week is it shows us the things we have to do. So what are the things we have to do this week? Well, we need to complete the student acknowledgement form found in the syllabus tab. Okay, so that's over here. So we go to syllabus. And then we have the student acknowledgement form right there. So we're going to download that bad boy. Where are you? Okay, click on that. And it's going to download this. Woo! Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to print up this paper. Okay. What? I have to print this paper? Yeah, I know. Yeah, okay. You're going to print this paper. Course, again, is found right here. It is ENG 112-I04. Okay, there's that. Of course, the instructor. Again, who's the instructor? Again, if you go to my instructor, it shows you who I am. Jason Lloyd Morgan. There I am. Okay, there's your instructor. So you write that in. Okay, and then you read over this. And the big thing is, this is you writing this, I assume full responsibility for my attendance and the consequences of my absence. Okay, there you go. So basically you're signing a paper, you're going to sign here, you're going to date it, you're going to print your name and put your phone number, okay? And then down here, again, please let me know as the instructor if there's any reason or anything you're concerned about. I've never been very good in English, I have trouble with spelling, I'm not super familiar with how to use different styles, or whatever, okay? With this information here, that'll help me figure out the best way to help you. So after you've printed this up and filled out this form, then you need to submit it. Now, easiest way to do it, most people have a smartphone. So what a lot of people do is they take a picture of this form, okay, with their phone. After they filled it out, they printed it up, and they filled it out, they'll take a picture of this form and then they can use that to upload that as a file. So how you do that is you go back to weekly assignments, and you go back to this week, and if you scroll down, student acknowledgement form, okay? Or you can scan it in. If you have a scanner, not a lot of people do, okay? But I need this form. So what you could do is then you could then browse my computer, whoop, and then you could find wherever the file is, okay, so pictures or whatever, and then you would then, let's say it's this right here, and then you hit open, and then you would hit submit, okay. Let's say this would be your actual completed form, and then you hit submit. So that's how you do that assignment. That shows you that is due Wednesday, August 22nd, okay. This is 8:40 p.m. That's not right. It's actually due by 11:59 p.m. We know that because if we go to the course schedule, I'm sure why that says 8:40. Note, all assignments are due by 11:59 p.m. on the dates listed unless otherwise noted. So that again would be 11:59 p.m. on the 22nd. So that takes care of the student acknowledgement form. Okay, so let's go back to week one. So that's how we do that one. Okay. That's probably the most difficult one I think we're going to do because you have to print something out. Okay, yeah, you have to print out that form and fill it out and then take a picture of it or scan it and submit it. That's just, if this was not an online class, you would physically hand me this form, but we're doing this online, so that's the thing. Okay, then you get to take the introductory quiz. Introductory quiz is right here, okay? So you click on introductory quiz, and then you would click begin to start the quiz, okay? Again, this test is due by August 22nd by 11:59 p.m. For this quiz, all the answers are, basically about how to navigate this course and how to do different things. You can take this quiz an unlimited number of times, okay? Unlimited, and the highest score counts. The whole point behind this quiz is to help you learn basically the rules and how to do different things for this class, how the class is set up. So you'd hit begin, and then you'd actually take that, and you can take that as many times as you want until you get 100%, because I want you to understand. Yeah, I use a lot of quizzes. The quizzes for me are more to reinforce concepts, not to see if I can gotcha. No, it's more about reinforcing the concept that you're going to use for the projects that we're working on this class. Okay, so that's how you take that one, the introductory quiz. Now, the school also wants you to take, this is their quiz, they have the enrollment verification quiz. In order to be officially enrolled in this class, it's more that you have to do more than just access the class. You actually have to take this enrollment verification quiz. Now, they put it over here. Okay, so I know you're like, wait, there's a quiz here, there's a quiz here. I know, it's just a thing. So for this one particular quiz, to take this quiz, the enrollment verification quiz, you click on that link right there. It takes you to the enrollment verification quiz, and it says quiz must be completed the first day of class. Actually, that's just what they say, okay? But this quiz must be completed no later than the online census date, which again is the 24th, and that shows that over there on the weekly assignments. But to take this quiz, click on that, takes you to a new thing, and then you click begin. And again, multiple attempts. This one you have to do by the 24th. That's the date set by the school. And again, multiple attempts, highest score counts. Just keep taking it until you get 100. Hey, all right, let's go back to weekly assignments. What else are we doing for week 1? Okay, for week 1. Okay, so we've done the student acknowledgement form. We've done the introductory quiz. We take the enrollment verification quiz. Ooh, we get to do the introductory discussion form. Yeah, this is one of my favorite ones. So the initial posts are due by the 19th, and responses are due by the 22nd. Okay, what does that even mean? Well, the discussion board is found over here, again, on these little tabs over here. So they hit discussion board, and that'll bring up this, and then we have a few different discussions that we're going to be doing. But this is the introduction discussion, okay? So this is the one we're going to be doing it. Now, note, you need to be able to post your submission first before you be able to see other people's submissions. So what I really want you to do is you click on this right here. It says Introduction Discussion, and then you're going to hit Create Thread. Create Thread. Okay. And then you're going to give this a subject, and you can say, oh, I am Jason Morgan, whatever. Okay. And then what I really want is, this is a chance for you to introduce yourself to the class and to learn about your classmates as we work on creating an online learning community. Okay? So basically, you're going to just tell us a little bit about yourself, as much as you want to share. Again, this is something that everyone can see. Where are you from? What are you studying? What do you want to get out of this class? What are your experiences with writing? What do you enjoy? Okay. What I do ask, if possible, is also to help me connect with my students better, is if you want to attach a picture. So, if you want to do an attachment and you just find a picture of yourself and hit that, that helps me connect you as an individual instead of you just a name on a computer screen. It makes me think, oh, okay, I just want to connect with my students better that way. So you could write your information here, blah, 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 blah. Okay, and then you hit Browse My Computer, and then you hit Submit. Okay, and then once you've done that, then you can go back here, and then you'll see where everybody else has posted, and you can click on what they said, and you can actually respond to them and say, hey, you're studying nursing? I'm studying nursing. When's your graduation date? Or, a great place to start networking is in school. You never know, which of your classmates you end up be able to get a connection of, for jobs and stuff like that. Seriously, I got my very first job out of college with one of my fellow classmates. So you never know. So this is a great place to start to get to know people. Okay, that's the discussion board. Okay, let's go back to the weekly assignments. And week 1. Okay, and then you get to complete the first research log. So every week we're going to be doing a research log, just about every week. A research log is kind of like a journal. There's basically a prompt that you'll respond to. But this week it's basically fairly easy. For your first research log, and it's found right down here, all I want you to do is post, I figured out how to use my research log. How awesome is that? So I'm actually going to just kind of copy that. All right, and you can write whatever you want. Be creative. So to do a research log, you click on here on research log. Now, please, I'm begging you with my brain here, okay? You'll see there's a place down here to add comments. Do not, I'm asking you nicely here, do not put your response here as a comment. No, don't do that. It messes up when it gets uploaded to me. What I'm going to ask you to do is you can either write it on like a Word document and submit it this way, or click on Write Submission and then write it. Okay, and then let's say, okay. So again, click Write Submission and then write it into the submission. This is the submission. Please, oh please, I'm begging you, write this down, tattoo it on your forehead, something. Do not write it as a comment, okay? Wow, he's really passionate about that. Yeah, I am, because it really messes me up. Okay? Write it as a submission. Or you can type it up on a file and attach it that way. Okay, and then you'd hit submit. Okay, there's that. So, to sum up for this week, you go to week 1, it shows you the due dates. Now, the due dates are a little weird for this first week. Generally, the due dates are going to be, so like this is August 15th, which is a Wednesday. Generally, the due dates are the following Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. So basically, I want you to get in the habit like every Wednesday I have something due. This first week is a little different, but generally it's like every Wednesday night something's due. Okay, so we got the course syllabus, which is found over here. Yes, we should. You click on syllabus, you download the syllabus. That's where you find the syllabus. There again, there's a student acknowledgement form. Okay, we did that. We know how to do that. Okay, weekly assignments tab, that's how we got to this place, yeah. Course schedule tab, we've been through that, we went through that with the other video, and then the video tutorials, okay, so again, this is one thing we're going to be learning is how to do APA formatting, so this shows you a lot of cool things to help you with that, okay. Let's go back. And then you have these things, okay, student acknowledgement form, again, which is uploaded here, you download it from the syllabus. I should, just rewind this video if you need to be trying to do that. Introductory quiz is right there. Enrollment verification quiz is right there. Introductory discussion form, that's right there, discussion board. And then the first research log is right here. Moving forward, just about everything's going to be in this same week. It's just a little funky at first. Okay, so that's it for week 1. Okay, so none of this is going to take you super long. The thing that's probably going to take you the longest is doing the student acknowledgement form, just because you have to print it out, take a picture, and upload it. Okay, but the quiz won't take long. Again, take this quiz and this quiz as many times as you want and until you get a perfect score, because I want you to understand the concepts behind it. Again, discussion form, please add a picture as well as anything else you want to share with us. That helps me connect you with you. And I will also post something. And then do the research log. That's just demonstrating really how to use the research log. Okay, that's it for week 1. And then you're like, what about a textbook? Well, it is listed in the syllabus. We'll need the textbook for next week. So if you haven't got the textbook yet, right now it's the Norton Field Guide the Norton Field Guide to Writing with Readings, 4th edition. Yeah. That information is in the syllabus. You'll need that for next week. All right, so that's it. All right, let's get off to a great start. Email me if you have questions. But you can also rewatch this video if you have questions on how to do stuff. All right, thanks. Have a great week.